I am so excited. My ketone order arrived and I can't wait to show you what's inside of here. So today is my pre-prep day. Tomorrow starts my challenge, the triple threat challenge, and I'm so excited to do this one. I have been living a ketogenic lifestyle for about 2 years on and off, and I've lost a lot of weight, but I feel like I'm stalled, might be a little bit bored. So I was excited when this challenge came along, and it's going to give me that little extra bump that I need to really get some solid habits in place moving into the holiday season and really get me over that hurdle so that I can continue on my downward spiral. So what came in my box, I already opened them. I was so excited, and one of the kids has already snagged one and gone off to try it. So two times a day. So there's 10 days here, so there's 20 ketones. Half of them are caffeinated and half of them are uncaffeinated. So you get like all of these different flavors. So this one's strawberry peach, and this one's raspberry lemonade. This one is lime thyme. This one is heart tart. This one is Splash. It's one of my absolute favorites. Splash. I think that's all of them. What's this one? That's the same one. Raspberry lemonade. Yeah. So you get all of those flavors, and then so half of them are caffeinated. So I'll do those ones in the morning, and then the other half, same flavors, but the other half are uncaffeinated. So I will do those in the afternoon, probably after supper, because one of my biggest times that I struggle with is after dinner. I want something sweet. I always do, even though I don't eat sugar anymore, haven't for 2 years. I always want something sweet after dinner. And B, I want to snack before bed, and I need to stop that. I know it's a bad habit for me, so I'm going to take these ketones after supper, the uncaffeinated ones. That way they won't, the caffeine won't affect my sleep, and I'll have that sweet kick. And these are supposed to be really good for sleep, so I'm hoping to see an improvement there and really ramp up my energy. So I'm excited for this. So I've done ketones before, so I know that they taste great. I love all of these flavors. So I'm excited for those. But these next two steps I have never done before, so I'm excited for this. So I'm gonna open these because I haven't even opened them. I don't know what's in them. So this is the 24-hour fast. And I have no experience with fasting. I do intermittent fasting because that's part of my keto lifestyle. But I have never done a full 24 hours. So this says, the instructions are right on it. Sunday last meal, keto light, which is in here. Then in the morning, keto charged, then broth, and then in the afternoon 4 to 6 ounces of protein and 1 cup of vegetables. So I'm kind of just excited to follow a plan because I've been doing it on my own for so long. So let's see what's in here. The other great thing is that there is this whole online community with instructions and resources, so I'm stoked about that. Cool. All right, so I'm just like in order that so there's 2 mitoplexes, which are your electrolytes, which I have started taking. Love them. And they seem to be working really well for me. Really important when you're on a keto lifestyle. So they sent lime thyme as the charged. And the light I've never had, so this will be interesting. A little lemon. So that's cool. We'll try that. And then it looks like these are Amplify Morning and Signal OS PM. So this is morning supplement and night supplement. So I guess night first and then morning. And then broth, which I'm also stoked for. I used to make my own broth, but honestly, it took forever. And if I didn't have the right, if the source of the meat wasn't right, then the broth is really no good. So I'm excited for this because this is all naturally fermented and pulled together and created and then dried up. Yeah, no nasty ingredients in this at all. Awesome. Excited for that. So that's the 24-hour fast that I'm going to do. And then what is in this other box is the next fast, which I'm not going to lie, I'm getting a little nervous. This is 60 hours. So that's a long time. 60 hours is a long time. And I don't know for certain if I will be able to do this. In 100% transparency, I'm type 2 diabetic and I have blood sugars that I have to maintain in an even level. So I have never done this before. I'm going to try it. I'm going to test often and see whether or not this has an impact on my blood sugar. But the research tells me that a long fast like this, there's tons of research. So, and certainly, disclaimer, not a medical professional. This is my journey. But the research that I have read shows that an extended period of fasting is actually really good for your body. And like I said, I've never done it before. I'm at a place in my life where I want to experiment with some of these things and give it a try. So I'm going to go for it and I'm going to try it. I'm going to document my journey and I'm going to appreciate all of the support that I got from you along the way. But if my blood sugar doesn't look like it's trending the way it needs to in order for me to remain healthy, I will have to stop. But like I said, I'm going to document the whole thing and we're going to see. So this is 60 hours. So I'm thinking that the supplies are the same, and yeah, it looks like they are the same, and it's just for a longer period of time. So it's the morning and the nighttime supplements, and then it is, ooh, there's some different flavors in here. Berry blue, excited for that, and broth. Ooh, some different flavors too. This one's French onion. That one was thyme. Ooh, this one is salted caramel. I'm excited to try that. I like more sweet things than savory things. That's just my preference. Raspberry lemonade, heart tart, lime. Oh, and there's some pro in here, which I have also not tried before. Chocolate swirl pro. So this has the MCT oil in it. So I haven't tried this one, so I'm excited for that. And some more Mitoplex, but this is a different flavor. Oh, this is unflavored, I think. So we will try this. I have been doing the lemon and lime and the orange and really liking it. So definitely feel a difference. So love that. Anyway, so this is enough supplies to do a full 60-hour fast. So when I say fast, everybody thinks, oh, you eat or drink nothing, and that's not true. So I'm going to do the ketones. They will not throw me out of my fast. And I'm going to do the broth. So there is some sustenance over the course of 60 hours. But the idea is that it completely recharges and resets your system. And I'm excited to give it a try. And like I said, I'm going to document my whole process. So today is prep day. I'm going to put a slide up at the very end with all of the things that I'm doing. I'm collecting some recipes. I'm getting myself set up for success. I've got a new journal that I'm starting a fresh journal for this experience. So this is going to take me over the course of almost the entire month, and I am here for it. I've been prepping the last 4 days. I've done strict keto and so that's under 20 net carbs. And I've been weighing, measuring, and tracking everything, which I had gotten away from. So just resetting those habits. And I have researched a bunch of recipes and I have those at hand. All the ingredients typically we have here anyway, because like I said, I already had been living a keto lifestyle. So now all of my supplies are here and I'm documenting it for you guys. So I'm off to the races. So I'm excited for it and I can't wait to show you what the results are. Pictures to come tomorrow. Awesome. Thanks everybody for the support. I really appreciate it.